In this video, we will show you how to connect the KAN or your computer to the internet using a USB cable. Let us begin. You will need three things. 1. KAN or computer. 2. USB cable or a phone charging cable. 3. Your Android phone. First, connect your phone to the KAN or computer. To do this, find the USB port. This is usually on the back of the CPU or in the back panel of the KAN. Once you find the port, plug in your phone using the phone charging cable or USB cable. Now, let us show you how to connect the computer or the KAN to the internet. On your phone, go to Settings and click on More or Wi-Fi and Internet. Then click on Tethering and Hotspot. Finally, click on USB tethering. Do make sure that your mobile data is switched on your phone. It's that simple. You have now connected your computer or KAN to the internet.